Randell Clifford means EPA Environmental Protection Agency Security Clearance, October 2018 through 2019. Chemical Process Engineer at U.S. Ecology, now Republic Waste, Frederick Street, downtown Detroit, next door to Michigan Federal Reserve. As a chemical process technician, I was responsible for the mix, monitor, test, and balance a variety of chemicals according to specified procedures and protocols. Perform all types or all steps necessary to maintain correct chemical balance of material mixture needed to support proper equipment operation, product quality, or other chemical needs. Conducted chemical process tests, taking and measuring samples at specified intervals, and managed mixes, and stores all compounds and chemicals in a safe and efficient manner. Safely maintained and stored all relevant tools, instruments, measuring devices, and equipment to ensure proper function. Adhere to applicable EPA regulations for proper labeling and disposal of chemical compounds and waste. Maintain all records related to processes and chemicals used, including material safety data sheets, MSDS, and equipment operation logs. Identify and reports problems and or accidents to supervising chemists. Perform other related duties as assigned. Job required detail-oriented and extremely accurate with production, proficient understanding of mathematics, ability to solve, required knowledge of heating, cooling, heat transfer, and evaporation processes. Work environment consisted of being exposed to extreme heat, cold, wind, and dust conditions. Perform sample testing and lab work for extracting chemical treatments of industrial waste. Loading, unloading bulk and contaminated materials using light equipment, operated chemical processing equipment for their processes and filtration systems, process inbound and outbound paperwork according or including customers' manifests. Randell Clifford means Aircraft Air Charter Logistics Coordinator, Willow Run Airport, Ascent Global Logistics and USA Jet, March 2022 through November 2022. Randell Clifford means Contract Logistics Customs Coordinator Specialist. The Air Charter Coordinator entire process responsibilities deal with booking ground truck carriers for freight pickup, delivery from shippers, as well as the consignee, booking the aircraft, DC-9s, MD-80s, Falcons, DA-20s, Learjets, etc., which will accommodate the amount of freight being shipped and expedited. Quote options must be sent to the customer within 20 minutes after request and with estimated duration of the entire trip and total cost of all services possibly booked. Other trips are booked. Itinerary timeliness of the trips are sent to the customer with accurate times for when the freight will arrive to the consignee, domestically or internationally. Internationally, trips have to be regulated with analysis of proper documentation, airway bills, air cargo manifests, ITNs, and entry numbers. Freight trips going into or out of Mexico have to be booked and timed around overtime hours allowed by customs from MMQT, Guadalajara, MMGL, Guadalajara, MMIO, Saltillo, MMCO, Chihuahua, etc. in Mexico. Where'd I go? Perfect. Daily responsibilities of being logged into our 5-9 recorded phone system, 5 hours daily out of an 8-hour shift, answering incoming calls from one's own client or coworkers, customers, providing accurate resolutions to their questions. The entire shift requires 10-minute response times to all clients. Involved on one trip, updates on the status. The amount of emails responses daily for one's responsibility would be a minimum of 100 or more required prompt responses. Daily focus on customers of John Deere, General Motors, Ford Corporation, Global Wings, Chrysler, Volkswagen accounts, etc., and Stellantis. Duties include cargo verification, ground and trucking carriers handling with ETAs of times nationally and internationally through global peak system, evaluating providers, acceptable and unacceptable procedures, expertise in flightware system, and tracking aircraft.